water. Okay, so water is given. So we can apply the continuity equation A1 B1 equal to A2 B2, right? Because water is compressible or incompressible?
Incompressible.
Incompressible. So density is constant. So we have a pipe of 30 centimeter diameter. Branches into two pipes of diameters 20 and 15. Okay. So it has two branches. So
Professor, we can't see the board if you are saying.
okay. Actually, I am looking for the question. That's why I have not shared.
I've solved it already.
You already solved?
Yeah,
How you solve?
it's just the main pipe equals the summation of the other two pipes.
Yes. But if I'm asking similar problem to solve, you are saying it is difficult, etc. Equals to 20 centimeters, and there is another pipe of diameter say
15 centimeters.
15 centimeters. Okay, what else is given?
Velocity,
Velocity at the inlet is given
2.5, yes.
2.5 meter per second. Okay.
And the upper one is 2 meters per second.
So V2 is given
Yes. And
2
we need to
meter per
calculate
second.
V3.
Okay, we need to calculate V3. So m dot 1 equals to m dot 2 plus m dot 3, right? Whatever
Yes.
pipe flow, whatever water is going from this big pipe is now distributed in two different pipes. Okay. Here we have the large diameter. Here we have the smaller diameter. Okay. But the whether it is equal distribution, whether m dot 2 equals to m dot 3,
Sound is
it is
cutting.
not. Why? Because we don't have the equal area, so the flow rate will not be same.
And also we may have
M2 will not be equal
gravity.
to M3. Why? What is gravity?
I mean, if they are one upper than the other, so we may have the gravity change also, even if they have the same area.
See, it is not mentioning that the water is going up or down. It is showing in two different pipes. So it is like this. Okay. It is not like this.
Okay.
Okay. In drawing, we are drawing like this. Okay. Even if is that we are already considering the density, etc. So no need to go in details of that. Okay. Now M1, M2, M3. See, you can say the energy or the other properties may change, but the mass is mass. Whether it is going up or down, it will remain same. See, forces will be different, but mass will be same.
Yes.
Whether it even if it is going up down. Okay. So M1 dot equals to M2 dot plus M3 dot. What is M1 dot? Rho 1 A1 V1 equals to rho 2 A2 V2 plus rho 3 A3 and A3. So it is water, right? Incompressible or incompressible? incompressible. So you can say the density is constant. So you can take common and then cancel. You cannot cancel directly. So you need to take common and then cancel. Now this is pi by 4 d1 square v1 equals to pi by 4 d2 square v2 plus pi by 3 pi by 4 d3 square into v3. You can again take pi by 4 common and cancel, right? For
Yes.
ease of calculation. Now how much is d1? 30 square into what is the velocity? 2.5. See, even in the previous problem, to calculate v2, I took this in centimeter and this in meter. I have not changed. Why? Because even if I convert this, I'm converting on the other side of the equation as well, right? So those factor will get cancelled. Okay, I will show you. Say, for example, if you are converting into meter, what you are doing divided by 100, right?
Yes.
Equal to, what is the diameter here? 20 divided by 100 square into V2 is how much?
2.
2 plus
15
15
over
divided
100 times
square
x.
into V3, which is unknown. So what I'm saying, you can take this divided by 100 square common and can cancel with this, right?
Yes.
That's why I had not even multiplied in the previous problem. I thought you will get that. I was waiting for the question that someone will ask why we have not changed the unit. Okay, anyways. So now you have this. So please calculate. So this is 900 into 2.5, 400 into 2, that is 800 plus 225 into V3. So you just multiply 900 with 2.5 minus 800 divided by 225. So this
V3
is
equals
2000.
6.4.
I'm writing here, I don't. 6
4.
meter per second. Okay. Can I say in this problem, rho 2 A2 V2, see that I want to apply the continuity equation at this location and this location. So can I write A2 V2 is equal to A3 V3? This is second and this is third place, right? So can
No,
I
we
write
cannot.
A2? Yes, we cannot write this. Why we cannot write this? Because
We
these
have
are two
different
different
diameters.
pipes. Yes, different pipes are basically this is distributed. Okay, their masses are not same. Yes, we can apply here and here. Also here we can apply 1, 2, 3 like this, but not between these two because they are separate branches. Okay, this is equal to this. If you have multiple, then you can apply. Is this finished?
Yes.
Okay. Can we apply continuity equation to this pipe? Whether the mass flow rate coming in at this location and this location, is it same?
Yes.
So we
No.
can,
No.
why it is no?
The area changed.
So what is the difference between these two? Whether area is same here?
No, it's different.
So what is the problem? So it is same problem. See, the flow is going, only thing is that because the area is increasing, so velocity may decrease suddenly. Here it is gradually. Okay, but continuity equation can be easily applied at 1 and 2. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, so rho 1 A1 V1 equals to rho 2 A2 V2 in both cases. Similarly, can we apply continuity equation at this and this location?
Yes.
The same problem or the similar problem what we solved. In that, inlet was 1 and outlet were 2, right? Now we have 2 inlets and 1 outlet. But water is coming from 2 different tanks and it is going through 1 pipe. 2 pipes is coming and 1 pipe it is going. Okay, so where we can write here, if this is 3, 1 and 2, then what we can write here, A1 V1 plus A2 V2 equals to
A3
A3
V3.
V3. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so please in that book or any other book, whatever you are referring, because most of the time I'm using Bansal. So if you follow that book, you have problems similar to such shapes. Okay, so please try to solve problems which are similar to what we solved in the class. Isn't it easy? Can you solve this? If you
Yeah.
cannot solve, then ask me. Then I will decide whether to solve it or not. Okay. If you are going through the book and if you find some problems are difficult, like some of you asked me in the morning. So you ask me what problems you want me to solve in the class, I will solve them. And if I think that it is not good for you, I mean, not suitable for you as of now, then we will skip those questions. Okay. But don't come without trying yourself. Okay. Even the question may be easy and you are not trying, then it is not good. Okay. So we'll stop here. Please try to solve the problems. Okay. And send me at least two more questions. Okay. Not that we solved in the class. Any other 2 problems related to the continuity equation. Listen this carefully. Any 2 unsolved problems. Unsolved means not solved in the class, not in the book. Any 2 unsolved problems. If you solve unsolved problems from the book, which is, if you see at the end of the chapter, there are many problems which are not solved. Okay, there are list of questions. Okay, if you solve from that, it is better. If you cannot solve, at least try to solve the problems which are not solved in the class, but it is solved in the book. Even if you do that, no problem. But if you solve the problems which are even unsolved in the book, then that will be better. I hope you got the question clearly, right? Okay.
Yes,
Today,
right, doctor.
Inshallah.
today, today I am leaving you without considering you absent, because many of you have not sent me the solved problems. Okay, so I am just leaving the first time. I will not allow this next time. So before coming to next class, you must send this to me. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Yeah.
doctor. Thank you so much.
See
Yes.
you on Thursday morning, inshallah.
Inshallah.